guest. A very good evening to one and all. Why not wear an awesome smile on your pretty face? Why do we smile when a scene is getting recorded on a camera? We look nice and people like our picture, right? Let us internally smile in every scene of our life. It's getting recorded on the soul. We feel nice and people like us and feel nice. These are the quote by Sister B.K. Shivani. I'm Sweta Aji, Sergeant at Arms for Rendezvous Club. Welcome you all to the 17th meeting of our club. Today is 28th Jan. Duration of our meeting is from 6 p.m. till 8 p.m. Before I move forward, let me read out the club mission and you all can read it along with me, but keep your mics muted. We provide supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. There are some ground rules to be followed. Please ensure, give genuine compliments, heartfelt applause when someone talks so sweet and sensible in front of you. The big microphone with a cross against it is to show you and remind you to consciously make an effort to mute your microphone and make extra effort to unmute whenever you are requested to talk or when it's your turn to talk. Please turn off all noise-making devices or put them in silent mode. All speakers pin the timer whenever needed. You can use the reaction buttons like thumbs up or clapping to communicate. All speakers are requested to refrain from making any reference to the three taboo topics, sex, religion, and politics in their speeches. Kindly note that the whole session is recorded, so if any one of you have any concern, please put that in the chat box. In case of any emergency, please follow the fire exit instruction of your building. With a big round of applause, let me transfer the power in me to our ever energetic President Toastmaster Anita.
Thank you so much, our dear Sergeant at Arms. Even one meeting, if we don't see you, that there's some kind of a hollowness that, all through the meeting. So it's so good to have you back. And I hope your schedules are getting a little relaxed now, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even today, I was fully busy. Just now, I came back home.
Okay, okay. Relax and do your speech well. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. This is meeting number 17, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, 17.
Fantastic. So slowly, very slowly, rendezvous is moving towards 25. Okay, another 8 meetings, which should not be more than 2 weeks, 2 months. Yep, or more than that a little bit. Yep, another 4 months, and then we will be at 25, even before we know it. So welcome one and all to the rendezvous meeting, the regular meeting, and we are all gearing up for the contest coming in very soon. Um, for the benefit of, do we have guests and our new members? We do have some guests here. Okay, for the benefit of all of us, once again, I would like to reiterate certain things which are very important to know being part of the Toastmasters. So here the question paper is really already revealed. Nevertheless, we all belong to which area? Come on, unmute.
Should I tell?
31.
Perfect. Which division?
Division I.
105.
That is
District 105, Division I.
yes. Okay, as you can see here, we are only talking about certain areas, right? Now, area 31. So we have right from area 1, we have up to area in 50s. Okay. And divisions we have right from division A to division N as of now. Now this year it could be another O also getting added, but this is how we, only in the UAE, the district 105 has got 4 countries under it. Anybody who wants to start off with the countries that fall in District 105. Okay, our own country where we are all residing now.
UAE, Oman, Jordan.
Okay.
Anything else? Kuwait.
No. UAE, Oman, Jordan. Okay.
Lebanon.
Lebanon. And one more.
Bahrain. Bahrain.
Bahrain.
Pause now, no more. One more. Did somebody? One more. Very close to. Sorry?
I said KSA.
No.
No. No.
Okay, just to reiterate, UAE, Lebanon, Jordan.
Turkey.
Oman.
Who
Oman
said that?
also.
Who said that?
Oman was
I
there,
said
right? Okay.
Yes, Oman. Who said Oman?
Myself.
Okay, perfect. You have to give her a big round of applause. Somebody is tired, but okay. Game for this. Yes, very much. It is Oman. So all these countries come under District 105. We did have Bahrain also. We were called as a District 20. Things have changed. We've become District 105, and we're doing really good. We're doing really good as a district. Even after COVID also, this particular district has shown a lot of good addition of clubs, good results, and good member retention. So many good things that are happening here, and a lot of triple crowns. So we're waiting for the first triple crown from Rendezvous to be announced. Come on, girls, you have to gear up, right? So remember this now. So we belong to Area 31. We belong to Division I, and Division I is just a part of Division A to, it's part of District 105. You have so many other divisions up to N as of now. This year it could be another addition also. And District 105. So who's our district director as of now?
Rania, I don't know.
Nelson Menezes.
DTM Nielsen Meneses.
It's the DTM Nelson, Distinguished Toastmaster Nelson. And our, see, at the district level, you have the PQD, the Program Quality Director, who is DTM Gurbinder Pan. And you have CGD, that's the Club Growth Director at the district level, who is Rania. She's from Jordan. Okay, so we have these three people sitting there as district officers, the district trio, who's guiding us now and then. And under them, there are a lot of other division directors, the area directors, and under the area directors are the main people, the club excoms. If not for the club excom, there's nothing that any of the upper people can do. That's what they say. The top things without the foundation will just fall flat on the ground. So remember, as a member sitting there in the club, we hold the entire crux. Okay, so live up to being a Toastmaster, be a pride to the club and to the area wherever you belong. And doesn't have to be only contest. It could be the way you are changing your personality as well, right? Okay, as I always talk about it, what is Toastmasters? We all know now. So Toastmasters don't come here to toast for a drink. We come here to toast for a change in our personality along with the virtual drink. Okay, or a drink over a virtual meeting, right? As of now. Someday we're all going to meet. So we conduct meetings for 2 hours every fortnight. We have about 15 to 20 people happening in a meeting all the time. And prepared speeches are given here, impromptu speeches are given here. And then you have leadership assignments, like we have our very new member whom we've hardly seen, Divya, who's taken over timer role. So the Toastmaster of the day is going to introduce all the role players. I'm not going to take that privilege. And we have constructive evaluation. So we are not coming here to say you are bad, you could have been I mean, you just were so rude there, your speech was such a ruckus. No, we're not talking on those lines. We are changing our personality by always talking in a very, very supportive manner, in a more constructive manner, right? So that helps in building up your speech creating techniques and your personality as well. Okay, and yeah, I just wanted to ask you all. I gave you a quick glance, I think, if your observation skills are good. What's our club number?
Clubs. No.
Yes, that's what you have to learn. The sooner the better. Okay, 7364295. Okay. And then we have the beautiful foundation called the Pathways Curriculum, about which we've talked about earlier also. I hope all the newcomers also choose their path ASAP. Vidya also has to be mentored, choose her path. We assign her a mentor and she can go ahead with it. After the path is chosen, depending on your path, you will be working on your projects. I'll not go into the nitty-gritties of this because we might run short. Already we have 4 speeches today happening, right? So with that, I'm going to close my president's speech. And with the power vested in me as the president of the Rendezvous Toastmasters Club, I humbly open meeting number 17. Okay, now I like this. I don't like sharing the screen and losing out sight of all of you. Right, I'm just going to put you all on gallery. Okay, each and every of every